Good morning to all of you. It's tea time here at Grandma Sandy's place. Hope you enjoy stopping in today. I didn't really spend all that much to put this together today. Most of the flowers you see in here in the vase I already owned. I got these last year on a super clearance and I spent about $8 for these beautiful blue ones and yellow and this purplish blue and these yellows. I thought they were so pretty, and these beautiful blue ones here, and of course this little bouquet here and this little bouquet there. So they were super, they were like 80% off, so that's why I got them so reasonable. When I was out shopping at Ross's recently, I noticed this tablecloth and I thought it would go perfect with those flowers. That's why I bought it. Now, I do already have some of these flowers already exactly like this that I bought last year for my English tea, but I happened to find one more on a clearance sale, so of course I bought another one, and I'll be using it when I do my English tea. So the only expense we had on this was the $8 for the flowers, and I bought some new placemats for $7 also, but these were bought at Ross and they match the tablecloth perfectly, and I paid $6 for the tablecloth, but we've already used it in a past post, so we only have the placemats that we're counting as a cost today. So that's about $15 that we spent for this tablescape or tea. My bee plates I've had for some time. They're really one of my favorite pieces, and I'm going to do a couple bee tablescapes this year, so I hope you enjoy them. I need to still buy a few more pieces to add to it that I don't have. The silverware I've already had, the napkins I already had, the teaspoons I've already had. Oops, I just noticed I didn't get the sticker off of that cup. Oh well, bad grandma never takes her stickers off. The glass here is probably 15, 20 years old. The beautiful glass coasters I've already had and used them in past post. And so we already know Grandma has her little tea and sugar always out here. And I don't know if you can see how pretty the rose pattern is on it. And those are probably 10 to 15, maybe 20 years old too. They're not new. And I do have a matching creamer that goes with them. And of course the white teapot I use all the time, and also the white tray. So for a $15 tablescape, I thought it turned out pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed watching what I put together for such a small amount of money. And you know Grandma, she's always trying to do something for low cost or free. My channel is designed for adults that are interested in home decor, cleaning, cooking, gardening, miniature gardening, shopping hauls, anything to do with the house or the yard. I do join in on quite a few challenges also to try to get better at what I do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this post today. If you're not already following me, please consider it, please. Love you all. Take care until the next video, my awesome friends. Bye-bye for now.